and welcome to Explore Ballona. I'm Carolyn with Friends of Ballona Wetlands, and I want to welcome you to Superheroes of Nature. In this Superheroes of Nature series, we're going to be learning about the superpower adaptations of plants and animals, as well as how you can be a nature superhero. In this video, we're going to start with some of our most important superheroes of nature, plants. Plants are the base of the food chain, what animals of all types eat, and what humans need for most of their food. Plants are also a huge contributor to the air we breathe, creating their own oxygen as they produce their own food. Without plants, animals and humans simply wouldn't be here. Let's take a closer look at some of the superpowers of these plants, their adaptations. What is an adaptation? It's kind of like a superpower. It's a special body part that could be on the inside or outside of a plant or animal that allows it to survive better in its habitat. Just like Superman and Supergirl get their power from the sun, so do plants. Their adaptation, their superpower, is that they can actually convert sunlight into food or energy for themselves. It's a process called photosynthesis, and it's all because of the green in their leaves. Chlorophyll allows them to power up and become super.
These leaves can come in all shapes and sizes, but each and every one does photosynthesis.
What protects Iron Man from danger? His suit, of course. Trees and bushes that live for many years, during their lifetime, they're eventually going to be attacked by something. Plants can't run from danger, so one of their best defenses is their bark. The bark is the tough protective covering of woody stems and roots. It can protect plants from insects, funguses, other plants, and even fire. Oak trees, like this one, have very thick bark that protects the insides from fire, which is an adaptation, a superpower, that allows the tree to live in areas that have historically had natural fires.
Just like plants can't run from danger, they also can't move around to spread their seeds. But like Batman and Batgirl use creativity to survive, plants have come up with plenty of seed-spreading strategies to make sure they don't compete for resources.
Some seeds are the type that will blow away in the wind. Others might catch a ride on animals with burrs. Other seeds are going to catch a ride in a belly, like the berries and fruits of different plants. And some seeds use pressure to catapult their seeds and explode out.
For plants that live in more extreme habitats, they sometimes have to go an extra mile.
Like this prickly pear cactus. It has spines to protect itself from being eaten. Other plants, like roses, they use thorns.
For plants that live in salty environments, like this pickleweed, they store the salt they don't need in the red parts of their stem.
For plants that grow in the water, like the tule you see back there, it actually has adaptations. It has superpowers that allow it to get air from above to the roots that are down in the water. They have small air pockets that actually run from the top to the bottom to help transport that air. Although it would be great if the world only had superheroes, just like in the comics, our superhero plants also have supervillains that are trying to take over. In the plant world, these supervillains are known as non-native invasive plants. Non-native invasive plants are the ones that humans have brought to new areas, either on purpose or accident. But once they get there, they start to spread and take over. As these non-native invasive plants spread, they're taking away habitat from native plants and animals. And just like superheroes can't save the world on their own, they have sidekicks. Us humans, we can be the sidekick to our superhero plants. We can plant native plants in our homes, whether it's an apartment or with a big backyard. We can also do something called restoration at places like Ballona Wetlands by helping to remove our supervillain plants. Thank you for joining us at Explore Ballona as we learned all about the amazing superpower adaptations of plants. If you want to learn more about other superheroes of nature, you can check out our other videos in this Superheroes of Nature series. And remember, keep exploring.